Hi, today I will show you how to fix these Bose QC25 or QC35 headphones when one side not working. Most often this no audio in one ear problem is caused by the faulty speaker driver. So today let's do this repair together and save over $100 without buying new Bose headphones. Start by removing the AirPod cushion on the side that is not giving audio. Then use a small Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the two screws and put them in a place where they won't be lost. Then carefully remove the metal cover from the outer part of the headphones. Take a multimeter and use it to measure if the speaker is working. Then, if they are Bose QC25 headphones, check that the wires from the jack to the speaker are whole. In my case the speaker is dead, but the wires to it are okay. Then unscrew the two screws that secure the plastic cover under which the speaker driver is. Also put these screws somewhere so it doesn't get lost. If you repair the Bose QC35, then there are no screws for plastic cover, but you will need to unsolder the flat ribbon cable so that it does not block the speaker cover from being removed. Then heat the plastic cover all around with a high dryer on the hottest settings, as the cover is glued to the headphone body with hot glue, which needs to be heated, to make it easier to remove the plastic cover. Then carefully remove the cover with a flat screwdriver. If it does not come off, try from the other side. If that does not work, try again, heat it more. By removing cover, be careful not to break the wires. Then ask your grandma for a soldering iron and unsolder the wires. Just remember which contact had for the red wire and which wire had for the gold. Also unsolder the wires from the speaker driver. Then heat the glue that holds the speaker driver to the headphone housing with hot air again. After about 2 minutes, when the glue has remained soft, use the screwdriver again. Try to remove the dead speaker driver. Then clean the area of any glue remains, so as not to block the new speaker driver. Then you will need a replacement speaker driver. Unfortunately, Bose don't sell these, so you have to use aftermarket. The good news is that they sound almost identical, but you are not so lucky, then just change both speaker drivers to aftermarket and you won't have a problem with sound disbalance. The next step is to remove the old cable from the speaker cover and clean the small hole from the glue. Then solder this cable to the speaker driver. Remember that the red wire is a plus, which is also soldered to the replacement speaker market contact. Then put the new speaker driver into the headphone housing, but rotate it so that the speaker contacts are as close as possible to the board contacts. Ask your grandmother for some flexible glue and use it to mount the speaker driver. I use Moment Universal Classic glue. Pull the cable via the speaker cover. Apply the flexible glue also on the surface where the speaker cover will attach. Super glue would not be good to use there. If you ever need to repair the headphones, the super glue will make it impossible. Then put and press the speaker cover back in place. Screw it tight. Once both screws are screwed in, solder back wires to the main board contacts. Apply glue to the hole where the cable comes out. This should be done so that the speaker driver is in fully closed box. Put the metal cover back on and screw it tight, but be careful not to get the screws into the speaker driver as there is a magnet. You then need to put back the fabric filter. If it doesn't stay in place, put a little glue or use double-sided tape to stick the filter in place. Then put back the AirPod cushion, which locks in place by small plastic hooks. Then open the left and right channel test audio to make sure everything works as you want. Also listen some of your favorite tracks to see if you can hear any difference between the Bose and aftermarket speaker drivers. If there is a big difference in sound between channels, just change the other Bose speaker to the aftermarket speaker driver. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, good luck and long life to your headphones. And of course you also.